I'm Joris van Haver. I'm head of production in the battery assembly at Audi Brussels. We are a certified net CO2 neutral production facility, and we are producing 100% electric cars in the heart of Europe. For us at Audi, it's about optimizing the power from the battery. This has been achieved by innovative developments in the battery cell chemistry itself. Energy management is essential to what we do. Conserving and recuperating energy are important. The driver can expect a car with a range up to 600 kilometers. It's possible to charge this new model with 170 kilowatts. For the driver, it means he will be able to charge a car in about 30 minutes. This, of course, saves our customers time and is even a greater convenience.